So we are installing new audio enhancement at Galena High School. It is the first high school in this phase and the first high school to have all of the classrooms done. Every school in our district will have new audio enhancement equipment in the classrooms. The drain pipes were clogged. You can see how it's kind of rusting there. We are now removing the old P-traps in the floor drains and replacing them with new so that we can reopen those restrooms for use. So we are replacing the last old sections of the roof on the main building. We are going with a PVC roof system and it's fully adhered. With these we get a 20-year warranty and it just lasts a lot longer and it's easier to maintain.